Removing nail tips applied with rubber base coat is straightforward, but most people make it harder than it needs to be. The step most people skip is thinning the tips before you soak. It makes the whole process faster and cleaner. Let me show you. Start by using nail clippers to shorten the length of the nail tips. Less length means less product to remove, and it makes every step easier. Use the 100 grit side of your nail file or the e-file pen to buff off the gel polish and thin the nail tips. You're not removing everything here, just reducing the bulk so the soak off can work effectively. The thinner the tip, the faster and cleaner the removal. Skip this step and you'll be soaking for much longer. Soak a lint-free wipe and gel nail polish remover and place it over your nail. Clip on a nail polish removal clip, pressing down once your finger is inside. For ease, leave the pointer finger and thumb of your dominant hand for last, or work one hand at a time. Alternatively, use a pure acetone wipe. Peel back the center plastic to reveal the sticky strip. Place your finger under the wipe, fold the sides in to secure, then fold the bottom up to enclose. Leave on for approximately 15 minutes. Gently slide the gel nail polish removal tool under the softened nail and push it in the direction your nail grows, from just above the cuticle to the free edge. If the tips don't come off easily, don't force them. Re-soak for a few more minutes and try again. Lightly buff your nails with the fine 180 grit side of the nail file or the 240 grit sanding drill bit to remove any remaining bits of product and smooth the nail plate. If needed, file your nails to the desired shape and wipe your nails with a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. When you're ready for your next set, start from the beginning as laid out in the nail tip application video. I'll link it on screen and in the description. Alternatively, apply cuticle oil to your nails and surrounding skin to nourish. That's your rubber base coat nail tips removed cleanly and without any damage to your natural nails. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!